Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Power BI and its career. So if you have learned Power BI, multiple things on Power BI, you know how to create dashboards and you are working right now as a Power BI analyst or data analyst, then in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can upgrade your career or how you can make your career within the Power BI only. So let's get back on the screen and see what are the things that are required and how you can be a Power BI analyst or other profiles within the Power BI and what are the skills required and what will be your role. So for becoming a Power BI analyst or any career within the Power BI, let's first see what are the things required. So very first thing that is required is the data analysis. You have to learn about how to analyze the data, how to overview the data and get the analysis out of it. Second is you need to have the communication. Your communication skills are very important because companies are looking for someone who can communicate easily with the clients or the international clients or national clients. So you need to learn about the communication as well. Another skills that you need is the problem solving. That how you are going to solve the problem using the data. So problem solving skills is very important. The fourth one is the teamwork, that you should know that how to work within the team, how to divide the work, how to work effectively within the team without having any conflicts. Another thing that you need to learn within the Power BI is Power Query, that how to use Power Query and how to implement the things within it. At last, you should know the dashboard creation. Dashboard creation is must. The Power BI tool is itself for dashboard creation. So you need to learn these skills. So these are the 6 soft skills or technical skills I can say that are required for this. We will be discussing in details what are the things, what are the key points that you should focus on within the Power BI. Let's first see what are the roles that you can apply for. So if you know about Power BI, then you must be aware about the analysis, you must be aware about the communication and everything. Then you can apply for these roles. First, you can be a Power BI analyst. Second, you can be a Power BI developer. Third, you can be a consultant. Then you can be an architect or the manager or director of Power BI. So these are the 5 roles that you can apply for. If you are right now working as a data analyst and you wanted to go within the domain of Power BI only, it means dashboard creation only, then you can apply for the Power BI analyst role. If you want to upgrade, then developer, consultant, architect or manager or director, there are multiple roles. So let's discuss them in detail, that what do you have to do in this particular role and what are the skills required. So very first is the Power BI analyst. So your role as a Power BI analyst is your primary responsibility will be to create a data visualization and reports based on the organization's data. You have to collaborate with the stakeholders to comprehend their need and effectively incorporate them into the purposeful dashboard. So basically what you will be asked to do is you will be given a data. You will be told that these are the sources from where our data has to be integrated. Then you have to integrate it within the Power BI or the SQL one. And then you have to create the dashboards and you might have to talk to the stakeholders. It means who are the stakeholders of the company or the data or the client's need. Then you have to understand the need, that what exactly they are looking for from that data or what exactly they want me to create on the dashboard. So that's how you have to work. So you can expect 78,000 per year for Power BI analyst role. The skills which are required for this role is data visualization. You must know how to do the storytelling. Proficiency in Power BI desktop, data modeling, SQL, data manipulation, and basic understanding of business processes. So business processes is very important if you want to be a business analyst or Power BI analyst. So learn about it, how businesses works, what are the process followed in the business. Let's see the next one. So the next is the Power BI developer. You can be a Power BI developer where your role and responsibilities will be to create and upkeep and enhance the Power BI solutions. This role involves more in-depth data modeling, ETL you have to learn, and the deeper understanding of the data source and connection. So basically you will be more into the Power BI solutions. You need to learn about the DAX language, you need to learn about the advanced Power BI skills, you need to learn about the data transformation, how to do cleansing, how to create the database design, ERD we also call it, and ETL processes obviously you need. You can expect $90,000 per year for this role. And this is good to go if you are an analyst and you wanted to switch to the different one and you wanted to upgrade, you have to learn about the advanced things in Power BI so that you can upgrade your career to the Power BI developer. Another role that we have within the Power BI is Power BI consultant. Power BI consultants works as an external or internal experts who helps organization implement Power BI solutions effectively. So here what you will be doing is, suppose there is one Power BI analyst and who has already analyzed the data, and he has already taken the decision that this is what I think that we should do. Then consultant will be the one who is going to implement the Power BI solutions effectively. He will be managing that everything. He will provide the guidance on the best practices, troubleshooting issues, and advice on the data governance, that we should get the data good and the effective data. And what all you can do to get this role is, you have to learn, you must have the extensive Power BI knowledge. Then you have to create strong project management skills. This is all about project management. As I said, data analyst will be working. You have to see how to implement it in actual. Data analyst has made the decision. Now you have to see how you are going to, in practically, like you have to implement it, and you have to observe the entire process, that whether the decision which the analyst has taken is taken forward or not. Then you have to learn, you must have the communication and the consulting skills. Another role that you can apply for is the Power BI architect. So Power BI architect is to design and implement the Power BI solution at the enterprise level. Here you will be designing the enterprise level solutions. So this position is responsible for developing a comprehensive strategy for data integration, security, and scalability. So if you want to be a Power BI architect, then obviously you can expect 85,000 per year dollar salaries. And for this particular role, you need the skills, that is Power BI expertise, data strategy, how to create a data architecture, and then security and compliance and integration, how to integrate other tool within the Power BI. You should have the leadership skills as well. Let's see the last role, which is the Power BI manager or director. So you can be a Power BI and manager and director as well. So in this senior leadership role, you must have obviously business acumen knowledge. You must know how to do the change management, how to do the planning for particular project, or if you are implementing something, then how it works. So basically, under the manager, there is someone called consultant and architect. Then at the lower level, we do have a developer. Then we have the data analyst. So that's how the sequence goes on. So for manager level, you can expect $110,000 per year. So these were the roles that we discussed, that these are the roles you can apply for if you are working, you're searching for the job on LinkedIn or Indeed. Then you have to search from these titles, and then you have to check the job descriptions, and then you can apply and upgrade or go into the Power BI career. Now we will be seeing that how to excel in Power BI career. What are the things required? Obviously, you need a combination of both the skills, communication skills, soft skill, which is a soft skill, and the technical skills like DAX functions and all. So let's see. So first is, you need to have the Power BI proficiency. You must understand that what Power BI is, what is Power Query, how to do DAX, how to do data modeling. These are the fundamental things about Power BI. Then you have to learn about the data analysis, that you have to acquire the proficient data analysis ability, that how to do the data transformation, how to do data integration or verification from the diverse sources. Another is, you should have the SQL knowledge, because SQL is something using which you are going to extract the data, you are going to integrate your data. So good grasp of SQL is essential for extracting, manipulating, and aggregating the data. Another, obviously, the data visualization. Data visualization is for developing the insightful dashboards or the graphs, I can say, to communicate what you have learned through the data to the team, which is non-tech team. Business acumen, you must know how the businesses works, what are the business processes. Industry specific knowledge is very crucial if you wanted to be the Power BI solutions to business need. Another, obviously, I told you in the beginning of this video that communication is the most important thing, because it's all about data. And then it comes the term storytelling. So storytelling is also important, and that is to be done with the communication. So it is crucial to have the ability to convey insights to the both technical and non-technical stakeholders in the clear manner. Another skill that you need is the problem solving skills, which are obviously important for the Power BI solutions. Then you should know that how to collaborate with other experts in the field. Suppose I am the data analyst and I have to collaborate with the data engineer, then I must know that how to collab with that, how to work in a team with the data engineers, and so on. You must continuously learn, stay updated with the latest Power BI features, best practices by investing in continuous learning. Then you can also get the certification. Suppose you wanted to apply for the Power BI manager. Then what you can do is, for Power BI manager or director, then you need the Power BI certifications as well. Microsoft provide PL 300 certification for Power BI. You can take those certifications as well to validate what you have learned so far. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want all these details on like as a PDF or PPT, then you can join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Go check it out.